guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. I'm not sure of a schedule yet. Right now, why do I have these? I'm not sure of a schedule yet, but I filmed 2 videos today. So this is the first, and the second one will be up in a couple of days. And I'll keep you updated on social media of the new schedule. But I'm trying to work something out. Let me zoom in a bit. So today we're gonna do an unboxing. I'm excited. I've had this for a week and I've been dying to open it. So we're gonna do that today. So this video isn't gonna be super long, but I'm excited. I want to give a huge shout out to Cases a la Mode for sending me this package. So we're gonna be unboxing some phone cases for the iPhone 10. iPhone 10. Yeah, whatever. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is a big box. And I just have my scissors, so let's open. Which way are we gonna open it? I don't know. So let's. Cool. Oh, there's a bunch in here. Oh, I almost hurt myself. That's fine. Oh, I'm so excited. Look, there's a bunch. Okay. Oh, this one is really pretty. It's like marble. I'm obsessed with marble. I had a case on my phone. Let me show you really quick. So, this is the one I had on my phone. This one is new. This one is really pretty. What I like about these cases is that they cover, let me show you. They cover the edges. So if your phone falls, it won't pop off and then it won't crack there, which I really like. And they have a bunch of designs, not just marble, but I'm obsessed. My dog's in here, sorry. So this one is a violet marble. It's really pretty. Hold on. So yeah, this violet marble one, it's really pretty. I'll show you the other ones I have really quick. So I have this white marble. This black and blue like cracked marble. And then the pastel. This one's really, really pretty. So yeah, I own 4 already. As you can see, I'm obsessed with marble. Those are my fave. And thank you guys once again for sending this package. So let's finish. Okay. I'm just gonna leave the box on the floor and just pull them out. So the next one is this black marble, which is really nice. I really like it. These cases are easy to clean, like the white ones that I have. They don't get dirty really easily, and I just wipe them off with like a little wipey, and they don't stain, so I don't have any problem with that. The cases are made and designed in New York, so they're not too far from me, which is exciting. And let's just finish. So they're not too far from me, which is exciting. And let's just finish. So this one is flowers, which is really cute for the summer. You guys don't know I'm gonna have a new phone case on every day, like every day. I love cases. So this is another marble. This is like a thunder type of thing. This is really interesting. This is cool. I like this one. This one's pretty. So next up we have, ooh, a sparkly one. So this one is different from the rest of them. So you see how this comes one? Let me show you. See how this one comes all together in one piece? This one actually has a border. So like I'll show you really quick. Take all the stuff out really fast. Okay, so you see? It's 2 pieces, so you just put it like this. Yeah, I'm messing up. Put it like this and put the phone off. So this one has extra protection, so if your phone drops, nothing comes apart, which is awesome. Because we need really good safety cases nowadays with these iPhones. They freaking break so easily, so good job, guys. Next one, oh my god, this one I love. I was gonna order this one too. So I'm so excited. Thank you guys. I'm in love. This one's really pretty. Oh, I'm debating. So I have more to go. I don't know which one I'm going to use today. Next up. Oh, this is another flower one. I thought I picked up the same one. I'm like, wait. So this one is another flower. This is really pretty. Nice photos to take with these now. Next up we have a black and I would say rose gold flower case. So this one's pretty as well. Get to the bottom. Next up, oh, I love blue. My favorite color is blue. This is really pretty. So this one, I would say it has like a rose pattern kind of. Can you see? That one's really, really pretty. I like that a lot. Next up, nice. This is like a mint with silver. This is marble too. Oh my god, I'm like, I don't know which one I want to open first. I already made room in my drawer. I'm like all set. Next up, we have this one. This is really nice. Oh, I like this one a lot. Wow. This is very different. I've never had a red case before, so I'm excited for that one. Like super duper excited. This is really cool. Last but not least. Oh, I was gonna order this too, the big marble. This one is really popular. If you see on their Instagram, a lot of people have this. Oh my god, thank you guys so much. This was really nice. That's a lot of cases. Like, I'm set for the rest of like forever. That's so cool. Thank you guys so much. And they gave me a pamphlet, so I'll leave their information down below, but I'll put their Instagram handle here. They have contests, so if you take the most unique and stunning photo with the case, they gift you with a $25 gift card, which is awesome. So this is the info for that contest, which you can check out. So yeah, I advise you guys to check them out. They have other cases as well for like the 7, the 7 Plus, the 8. They all, you know, all the iPhones. They have Samsung cases. They also have, what do you call them? Portable chargers. They have accessories. They have a bunch of stuff. So I'll link their website down below, Instagram, everything, so you can check them out. And once again, thank you guys so much for this package. I'm like in love. I don't know which one I'm going to open first, but go on my Snapchat. I'll leave it here, right here, and you'll see which one I have on. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you guys once again. I'm obsessed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.